Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Geometry Dash on PC. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. To download Geometry in your PC, follow the simple and quick steps. First, open any web browser. In this instance, I'm using the Google web browser. Next thing, search for BlueStacks, a platform through which you can download Geometry Dash. Click on the first link, especially if it says BlueStacks download. Once you tap this link, you'll see the option to download BlueStacks. Click on it and the download will commence. Wait for a few minutes or seconds depending on your internet connection strength. Once the download is complete, navigate to the search menu, type BlueStacks and select it. Now enter Geometry Dash in the search bar and click on the search icon. And here you will see Geometry Dash. So just tap on install and it will start installing. So that's basically how you can download Geometry Dash on PC. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.